So here is installment 3 of How's the Racetrack coming along here at Land of Legends Raceway. These clouds here, by the way, we've looked on the radar, these should be nothing. But if you remember earlier, inside of the racetrack, they were splashing up pretty good. They put some pumps down there, they got some of the water out. And actually, this is the best it's looked. Now we'll follow the Packer as they come down here. It's still pretty wet down there, and it's, by the way, it's almost 7 o'clock right now. So it's taken us 2.5 hours to get to here. So you still hear that sound. That's the sound of wet clay underneath the wheels. So we've still got a ways to go here, but we're still optimistic. Actually, some cars are in line to come out and help us pack. But this is what we've been dealing with today. There was rain earlier today, and then I think it was right around 3:45. It rained, kind of stopped, and then it rained really hard after that. But they ended up taking those 3 rain out shows, and they made arrangements with those. 2 of them they're going to pay out. One of them, they just take the pay, and hit the Paul Cole interview. He'll tell you what's going on as far as the schedule changes and what we've done for today. But this is what we're dealing with tonight. Lebanon Valley did rain out. I think a lot of other places did too. I saw a big rain up in Oswego County. So we're still sitting here at 7 o'clock. We've got an entire program to run, and we'll see how things go. But hats off to all these people with the Packers. I know there were a lot of people, including Dale Ruggles down there, helping to pump out some of the water from inside the turn. Hanging in here and hoping we have some racing here tonight, and hoping that there are no more little rain showers that might be popping up here.